bridge is under construction.
No, it isn't.
But it's written right there.
Well, it doesn't even matter. I've been looking at it for 3 days. There's no construction above the bridge. You can go and see for yourself.
Yeah, there's nothing above the bridge at all.
What if this construction couldn't find the bridge and lost its way? What if it just got sick?
These guys have used the distant bridge.
Why do all the best things always happen across the river? It's just not fair.
Ethan knows what to do. We'll apply scientific knowledge.
But Ethan and science don't go together.
But not this time, guys. You see, I found a book with the most modern engineering inventions. By the way, take a look at this, guys. It was written in the past century, and there's a special carrier for trains. It's called a ferry.
Well,
And soon you can enjoy the ferry that lets you rest.
well, does it say anything about when the ferry will let us rest? I'm exhausted.
Later. Don't stop. We need to collect more logs. Well, I think the logs could have been thicker than what you brought. You can count on Ethan the ferryman to bring you across the river safe and sound.
We can really enjoy the rest here. It's so much fun.
Yes, Ethan. You know, a ferry is a great invention indeed.
Well, I guess so. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Now we won't need to use the distant bridge after all, guys.
What a really cool invention.
Hey, would you mind bringing us across the river, guys?
Of course.
Oh, well...
I need to get across the river. I'm late for my concert. Ethan, please help me.
My poor friend is so cold he's totally frozen. He needs coal urgently.
Arnold got a B on the exam and we're celebrating. Would you mind taking us to the party?
George, just let us know. Shall we find some other invention for poor Ethan?
And this time, it better not be from the past century. Ugh.
My mom always says that all the construction workers go quicker if you shout at them in a commanding voice.
Hey, let's call the general. If he shouts with his commander's voice, maybe they'll finish the bridge a lot quicker.
Well, I see. That's no good.
Even so, the ferry has given us many minutes of rest.
Yeah, especially for Ethan over there.